to wash my hands after this. Hey guys, I'm back from a 3-week break. And today I have something very edgy for you. Anyone who is going to the Evanescence concert, I think it'd be fun to wear something like this. Just an idea. Yeah. So this is the look I felt like doing. I wanted to play with texture. I've been wanting to play with a little bit of texture for a while in like a painting type of makeup, you know? Yeah. Anyhow, if you want to see how to go about doing this, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial, I used the Saharan by Juvias Place and this Dawn Eyes Cosmetics eyeshadow in Heavenly. Master Fix by Maybelline. My usual Maybelline concealer. Flourish mascara by CoverGirl. Black Radiance Kajal eyeliner and liquid eyeliner, and Wet n Wild pencil eyeliner. Here are the brushes listed out. Starting with the concealer, we're applying it all over the eyelid, a little bit on the temple and underneath. Pat it down, and starting with our angled brush, we're going into Iman, which is a cool pearlescent eyeshadow, cool toned pearlescent white eyeshadow. Applying it on the brow bone and the inner corner. Next, we're going to go with the Kajal pencil, and we're just going to apply it all over the eyelid. This will just be a base color. Now we're blending it out with a blending brush. Bringing it outwards as well, towards the temple. Next up, with a dome brush, we're going into Chad, which is a matte black, and we're going to pat this color right on top of the Kajal pencil, staying towards the outwards, and make patting motion so you don't smudge everything. So pat, pat, pat. Now for pencil liner, we're going to tight line in the inner corner only. Then we're going to line the waterline and underneath as well. Inner corner. And a little bit on top. And outer corner. Now with the liquid eyeliner, we're just going to create a straightforward line, and then with whatever is left on the brush, we're going to make little like hash marks. Just go crazy with that. That's the fun part. You're just painting. Both sides don't necessarily have to be exact. That's the fun part. Now with a flat shadow brush, we're going back into Chad. We're going to intensify a little bit. Just applying the black in random areas where you think you need a little bit more. Okay, now with an angled eyeliner brush, we're going back into chat again, and this time I'm applying it on my eyebrows because my eyebrows are brown, so they disappear whenever I wear dark makeup. So I'm going to intensify the brows as well. You can do that if you want. If your eyebrows are not black, go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, now we're going to take our Fix spray and a flat shadow brush, and we're going to spray it down. Taking some of this beautiful eyeshadow with the flat brush. We're going to apply it wet. We're just going to pat it on the center of the eye and kind of just randomly patting it. You don't really want an exact shape. And under the eye as well. A little bit on the temples, just little brush strokes, if that makes sense. Okay, now grabbing the mascara. We're going to start by applying it on the lower lashes and making sure those really stand out. Then we're going to coat the top lashes really well. You can add falsies if you want more drama, or you can just do what I did and apply a lot of mascara. And the look is done. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed that and that you like this look. Try to recreate it on yourself. It's fun, it's edgy, it's dark, it's different, you know. I think it would be a great concert look, if I do say so myself. Anyhow, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And until next time, rock on. Can you hear that? My kids are in the basement, but I could hear them scream through the vent. It's great. Boys don't play quietly unless they're playing video games, and even then they're still yelling at each other the whole time. Today I used a new product. I found this, I think through a makeup artist I follow. This new brand that's blown up on Instagram, and it's called Dawn Eyes Cosmetics. And the reason why, I don't know if you can see on my eyes, because from where I'm sitting I can't really see, but they're color shifting eyeshadows. And this one, I got 2 of them. They're like $12 each, but you get like this whole little jar, which will last a very long time, especially if you don't like use it every day. These colors, see from this angle, it looks like a greenish. Let me see. It looks red, right? Can you see that? It's so hard to, let me see. If I turn this way, I don't know. They're color shifting. So this one goes from like a deep reddish, copperish color to like a green almost. It looks greenish, gold, bronze maybe, bronze. If you look at their page, they do a much better job of showing you the shift in the colors. But they're beautiful, and I can really see the red standing out on this one. So the one I'm wearing is Heavenly, like I showed you before. It's called Heavenly. It's pretty. And then I have Alluring, which has like green and, let me see. There it is. On the camera you can really see the reddish tone. It goes from green to this beautiful pinkish color. So it completely like changes. And don't mind my my battle scars right here. I annoyed my cat. I was petting him too much. Sometimes if like I overwhelm him with like petting him, he gets mad and attacks. So, yep. So I don't know, I'm doing a horrible job. I'm sorry. I think all you can see is the pink. I might be able to see when I'm editing if you could see anything else. But from this angle it looks, from like here it looks green, and then when I go like this it looks pink. But yeah, go to their page on Instagram if you want to check them out. I'm not sponsored or anything. This is just me introducing something new that I really love. I think it's awesome. And if you do go to their page, comment that I sent you. Just put MakeupArtistMe sent me, so they know that their stuff is great. Yeah, you guys will love all the colors they have. I want to start a collection, but it's going to take some time. Anyhow, yeah, I'm back from vacation. How long is this? And had a good vacation. I need more. I need a longer vacation. Who doesn't, right? But yeah, guys, that's it, because I don't want to make this too long. And yeah, so I'll see you later.